हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू एसटीएस क्लासेस। आज हम +1 के लिए आगे सिलेबस कर रहे हैं। +1 में हमारा चैप्टर 4 ओवर हो गया, कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर। नाउ चैप्टर 5 yesterday on the lecture in lecture 1 and this today is 2 exercise 5.1. Okay, fifth chapter started yesterday. Now fifth chapter is linear inequality. Linear inequality means I told yesterday, introduction told, definition told, okay, that only linear algebraic expression with the help of the positive, negative and equal or greater than or less than or greater and equal or greater and less and equal symbol in that linear algebra, then that is called a linear inequality in that expression. If this, okay, now x is one variable, if two variable, that also two variable linear inequality also in your syllabus. Now I told solution how can solve, as equation we are solving सेम, जैसे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करते हैं ऐसे ही इसको सॉल्व करना है, सारे रूल सेम है, बट ओनली वन रूल इज द डिफरेंट. Which one different? If multiplier with the variable x is negative, only this. If multiplier with the variable x is negative, coefficient of the x variable is negative, then inequality sign will change and it will go in divide. Okay, I told multiplier will go in divide, but if it is negative, then greater का less का greater, other rule as it is, plus का minus, minus का plus, multiply, divide, divide का multiply. Okay बेटा, same thing. Now you will see question number 4 today, up to 3 yesterday done, day before yesterday. Okay, now today question number 4 in exercise NCERT book. Exercise 5.1 question 4. Question 4 is solve 3x plus 8 greater than 2 when x is an integer. First x is an integer, second x is an real number. दोनों में solution देना. I told. So now first simplify, solve this. So solving, constant term will go that side, plus 8 will go that side, minus 8 positive or negative that side. So 2 minus 8. Solve किया -6, then multiply 3 है, so 3 will go and divide, okay, then -6 upon 3 as it is. Then this implies what? X value greater than -2, 3 plus 6 greater than -2, greater than -2 in first part. So first part solution in natural number, in integer greater than -2, so greater than -2, -2 -1, you know, 0 1 2 greater than -2 and so on up to infinite. This set variable x belongs to this set, x belongs to this. Okay, answer. Second part, real number greater than -2, real number. How can I write? X belongs to set interval 4. X belongs to set interval 4. Greater than -2, open -2 and up to greater than f up to infinity. All real number open. So this greater than -2, how can write real number for this? X belongs to this. Or we can write x such that x is a real number, comma x greater than -2. This that we can write. Okay, x belongs to this. Done. Okay, this is set regular form, it is interval form. इंटरवल फॉर्म रियल नंबर को इंटरवल फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. ओपन ब्रैकेट इफ नॉट इक्वल, if equal is there then closed. -2 also will be included if here closed, if here equal. Okay, otherwise open. यानी -2 is not included. Greater than -2, nearby -2, right hand, any real number is included here. Okay, now this solution, understand. Now next solution, question number next. Yes beta, next question number 5. अब 5 onward all question are saying to solve the following inequalities in the variable x in real number form. real number अगर कहता है real number form then only real number. if कुछ नहीं कहता solve the following inequality, so then in real number form only we have to solve every question. We have to solve it x real number form if not saying anything. What is saying then? Okay, real number form, then how can solve? 4x plus 3 will go that side, so one time x one side, so minus 5x. right hand से left hand आ गई, plus था minus 5x less than plus 3 minus 3 हो जाएगा 7 minus 3 plus 3 will go right hand, plus 5x will come left hand. This you know what is the rule in the equation only, linear equation. Okay, you know that same rule. Then now it is minus 1x. Here negative coefficient आ गया, less than 7 minus 3 4. Now what will be this? This is important. This will change, less than का greater than and 4 divided by -1, that x. -1 से मल्टीप्लाई दोनों साइड हो गई या डिवाइड में गया है कोफिशिएंट, देन इक्विटी साइन विल चेंज. दिस रूल इज ओनली डिफरेंट. तो अगर माइनस कोफिशिएंट हो x का, लास्ट में मल्टीप्लायर जो है डिवाइड में जाएगा तो इक्विटी साइन चेंज होगा. तो देन दिस विल बी x greater than -4, greater than -4, all real number. How can write? X belongs to interval form, greater than -4. So -4 सबसे छोटा है और उसके नियर है, greater than -4. तो -4 कॉमा इंफिनिटी और ये क्यों तो जाएगा सारा ओपन इंटरवल. This is the solution. Okay, done. Answer. Like this we have to write in the interval form with real number. Next question. Yes beta, next question number 6. Solve following real number. 3x minus 7 greater than 5x minus 1. Take one side x variable, so 3x as it is here, then plus 5x will come minus 5x and greater than -7 will go plus 7, so -1 plus 7. Then 3x minus 5x minus 2x will be greater than plus 6, 7 minus 1. Then this is the important step. Now again -2, multiplier is negative, so sign will change, inequality sign, greater का less, less का greater, and 6 divided by -2. This is the important step. Okay, now x is less than -3, so 3 का 6. This is important. So this implies in real number x belongs to all real number less than -3. Less than -3, -4, -5 up to -infinity. So it is -infinity, सबसे छोटा. अब वो open interval and then -3 open interval. Not equal here. If equal then closed interval. Okay. Answer. This is real form solution. Next question. यस बेटा, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, ये भी वही रियल नंबर फॉर्म में सॉल्व करना। 3 into x minus 1 less than and equal also here 2 into x minus 3. Solve 3 into x, 3x, first multiply by 3 inside the bracket, open the bracket, 3 1 is 3, and then less than multiply by 2, 2x minus 2, 3 is done. Let's take this side, so 3x minus 2x will come this side, less than equals minus 6 here and plus 3 will come this side. Right hand side it will be plus, minus 3 will be plus 3. Then simplify, then 3x minus 2x is x only, positive x, then less than equal minus 3. Done. Now this implies x belongs to solution real number form less than equal minus 3, equal minus 3 से less than है तो नेगेटिव है, तो नेगेटिव इंफिनिटी से minus 3 and equal भी है तो क्लोज इंटरवल, दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंट, क्लोज इंटरवल if equal are okay, larger number and smaller, smaller से larger, तो यहाँ का less than माना 3, smaller माना infinity side open and this close. Answer to like this you will write the answer. Next question, yes, next question is question 8, 3 into 2 minus x bracket close greater than equal to 2 into 1 minus x. Now multiply, simple, very simple. So 3 2 is 6 minus 3x, this is multiply greater than and equal 2 1 is 2 minus 2 into x 2x, then minus 2x will come plus 2x minus 3x as it is plus 2x greater than equal 2 and minus 6, plus 6 will go minus 6, then after that minus 3x plus 2x minus x greater than and equal 2 minus 6 minus 4, then x here important, sign will change because coefficient of x is negative 1, so then it will go minus 1 in divide, be careful, then sign will change, greater का less हो गया, ध्यान दो, this is the most important step, then x is less than and equal to plus 4. और हो गया 1 से 1 cancel, plus 4 important, so this implies x belongs to a real number less than equal to 4, less than equal to 4 minus infinity comma 4 and equal here close less than and equal to 4, 4 से छोटे सारे real number, okay, be careful, important. Next, yes beta, next question, question number 9, x plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11, then simplify taking LCM, all term x variable term, all 3 term, LCM 2 3 is 6, so 6x, simplify 2 3 is plus 3x, okay, and 3 2 is plus 2x, simple LCM, enough, and then as it is, then 6 will go that side, 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11, 11x less than 11 into 6, 6 will go and multiply, then x less than 11 into 6 divided by 11
pencil. Then what is this? This is x less than 6. Less than 6 का मतलब 6 से छोटे all real number. So x belongs to interval 4. Open interval minus infinity, say less than 6. Less than 6 means open. Answer. If equal भी होता तो closed interval. ये open interval बोलते हैं. This symbol in the chapter was set interval for. Okay, real number can be written. Okay, next question. Yes, beta. Next question. Question number 10. Similar as question 9. Same question as question 9. So you can do easily as question 9 done. Now question number 11. What is 11? 3 into x minus 2 whole divided by 5 less than equal 5 into 2x upon 3. Easy. All question. Equation. Linear equation. एक 5 से उधर मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, 3 से इधर हो जाएगा, 3 से 3 3 जा 9, 9 into x minus 2 less than equal 5 5 are 25 into 2 minus x. Then 5 whole divided by हमने समझा multiply में यहाँ 3 करते हैं. Okay. Then multiply 9x. Simplify only. Minus 9 to the 18. Okay, 25 minus का plus 25x. ये डल जाए. ठीक है. And less than equal 25 to the 50. Okay. Next step. Right hand solve x plus के 25x. And plus के 9x, 25 plus 9, 34, 34x and less than equal minus 18 will go plus 18, 50 plus 18. Okay, now x less than and equal 50 plus 80, 68 divided by 34. 34 to the. Okay. Then x less than equal 2. In real number form, x belongs to less than and equal to 2 all real number. So less than 2, 1, 0, minus 1. This side all real number है. So then open interval minus infinity, comma 2 and 2 closed equal also. 2 equal also here. That's why closed interval. Done. Be careful. Okay. Now like, share and subscribe the channel and send the video to the maximum contact and guide them. They must watch, like, share to the maximum and guide them. They must subscribe the channel first, and if they will subscribe to, then benefit will be there. You say to them every video which chapter you want to see, every link you will get automatically in your device. S2S Maths classes, all videos of all chapters of NCERT book, each and every question, NCERT solution you will see, and concept, every concept of every chapter deeply. That concept of what is this and why this and how it is, everything with proof and with axiom I told. So I explained basically everything in every chapter, so you will see easily and you will get the knowledge. So subscribe the channel and thank you.